Hello and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. This video I'm going to be going over how to create Valentine's Day cards in Canva. This could be for personal use or to be able to sell as templates or just to create to add on your Etsy or to your website. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I know that everyone is at different design skills. And so the easiest thing you can do is go over to templates at the top here and type in Valentine's Day cards. And as you can see here, they have a ton of templates that you can go ahead and edit. It's pretty simple to edit the templates. I'm going to go over that a little bit later. I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and create some original designs from scratch. It's not too difficult. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys the template. So we're going to go back over here. And so the first thing that you want to do when you are creating the card from scratch is go over to the element section, and you're going to type in Valentine's Day background. And so this is going to give you the biggest part of your design is the backgrounds, that it's not really going to be that much extra work. So as you can see here, this photo right here is this one right here. So you can go ahead and just select that one if that's the one you want. Right click, and then you're going to hit replace background, and it's going to fill the background. And then all you have to do is right here, this is Happy Valentine's Day. This is a photo. So you can either have a photo here, or you can go over here and add text. And I recommend, since it's Valentine's Day and it's more romantic, for you to go ahead and select handwriting to give it more of a cursive look to it. And then you're just going to scroll through and find which one, that font that you like. You're going to go ahead and select it. And then you're going to go ahead and edit your text here. So this is where you can go ahead and type in Happy Valentine's Day here. You can go ahead and change the color here at the top, font color, and make it red. Highlight it first, make it red, or keep it black. And then for this particular design, because of the background has a lot going on, you would only fill the text on these little hearts. So maybe you have one that says Happy Valentine's Day, and the other one that says To the Love of My Life. And this could be like the front of the card. And then you could have the back of the card maybe be like a light pink color. Excuse me. Or it could be red again, or it could be white, whatever you want. And then you can add text again. And then maybe this is where you can write like a love letter. If this is for a significant other, write something from the heart. Go ahead and you can make this font cursive once again. Pick which one that you like. To the love of my life. I could not imagine my life without you, or something like that. You stretch it out, make the text smaller, depending on how much you're going to be writing. And this could be like the back of the card. Now, Canva does have where you can print with them. And so they'll show you like a preview of the card when you're selected on a certain page. So you can go ahead and select that page as the front, and then your page number 3 is the back. And then you can see how it's going to look. Now, depending on your price, one card is $9.50, and then you can also say that you want an envelope included. It's not too bad for a custom card. So if you wanted to print with Canva, you could do that as well, or you can go to your local print shop, UPS, FedEx, of that sort. And so that is how I would recommend creating your cards from scratch. So this is another one that I created. This is just a background, this whole pink with the love. So once again, I'm just going to continue to go through the backgrounds, select one that you like, and then once you select it, you're going to go ahead and replace background, which is what I did. You're going to go ahead and add your text, which is what I did. I made this black tear. I typed in Happy Valentine's Day. I made it red. Then I added this extra text, To the Love of My Life, and I made it black. And then you just add it at the bottom of the card. In order to do this this photo effect, because I wanted it to blend really well with the background. I didn't want the photo to just be placed on top. You're going to go over, first we're going to go over to elements. I'm going to type in Happy Couple. If it's going to be a photo of you and your significant other, then you would upload that over here where it says uploads. But we're going to go ahead and select a couple. Then we're going to go ahead to apps on the side here. And you're going to type in image blender. And then you're going to select this purple one at the top. You're going to go ahead and hit radial. And it's going to give it this effect right here. It's going to select this circle and you're going to expand it out as far as you want it. And you're going to go ahead and show which part of the picture you want it to feature. Once you like what it features, you can go ahead and hit save. It's going to take a second to save, and as you can see now it's blending perfectly with the background. So this gives it more of a professional look. It's not just a picture placed on top. And I did the same thing with this one. So you can go ahead and create that. And if you're going to be selling this as a template, you either might have to create a tutorial video or you of how to update this effect, or you have to do it for them. So it will be a made to order type, which means you can charge a little bit more. So you'll go ahead and hit share, template link. I've already made this a template, so that's why it's showing. You're going to hit template link, make sure it's live, and they're going to copy, and then that's what they're going to receive when they purchase. But it has to be, you can't have all these other designs under here because then they'll get everything. So when you do a template, make sure it's only showing the one design that you're selling. But yeah, that's how you would create a template. If you're going to be doing it for people, then you could just show this as a mock-up, and then you're going to edit it for them. So that is how you can go ahead and create this design. And that's simply what I just did. I just went and found backgrounds. I found this background under Valentine's Day. And then you go over to elements and you're going to type in Valentine's, either Valentine's Day or Valentine's background. And you're going to go to graphics instead of photos. And that is where I got these little candies. And then if I hit more right here, info, it's the name right here, a hand-drawn Valentine's candy. So if you want this exact element, you can go ahead and type that in. And as you can see, this is free. Same thing with this. Info, hand-drawn Valentine's candy. This is a frame. So if you type in Valentine's Day frame, you can get this exact frame that I used. And all I did was add a photo frame behind it, and then I inserted the photo. As you can see here, there's different elements that you can just go ahead and add to your design, and certain things you can edit the color, certain things you can't. So just keep that in mind. And this could be like the front once again. And if you wanted to add a back, you just add a page and you can select the background. You can kind of color match if you want to this one, or it's not going to be exact, especially because this is a blended color, but you can make it whatever color you want. You can make it white, and then you can go ahead and add your text. Let's say if you wanted the back to be like a love note. Once again, you can just do the same thing that I mentioned before, to the love of my life. And this is the back. And so when if you're going to a print shop, you'll need to have both of these already downloaded as a PDF. You'll hit download. You'll put a PDF print. Make sure you select this one, best for professional printing, and select 5 and 6 so that you're having both of these, the front and the back. So you need to do that, and you hit download, and then this is what you'll provide to your printer. So for this right here, I just kind of went through the elements and just added them there. I hit info here, and this is Valentine's Day decoration. So if you type that in, this will pop up. As you can see, I just added this to the top to give a little bit more flair. I added it right here as well. And to show you how to edit this image, we're going to go to position, layers, go ahead, and I had another picture here as well. So So we're going to go ahead and delete this. As you can see, delete image. It's in a frame. So I just added a frame here. And I inserted the image in the frame, and then I selected arrange to the back. So in order to get to the frame, all you do is click on elements, go down to frames, select basic shape, and you just kind of size it for the area. Insert the image first of the couple, and then you select position and then backwards so that it's inside of the frame. And that's how you do it. So this is text right here that I added. Happy Valentine's Day. And yeah, so that's all you have to do. Just first thing is selecting your background. I added this background, so you can add anything here. Here's another background, and then you're going to just start adding your elements. Type in Valentine's Day, select on graphics, and start adding elements. Add your text. If you're adding an image of a couple, you can go ahead and do that. And so we're going to go back over here to the templates. And so the templates are fairly easy to update, especially if you've just seen how to do it from scratch. So this is the one that I selected right here, especially if you want more text. It already has the to from type thing on there. And so I selected it here, and then I did update the background, so you can do that as well. I did change out the text here, and then you can go ahead and edit this. The to from I brought down here because I'm going to show you guys how you can do like a kid's theme. But yeah, so it's pretty simple to update the to create this. Like if you want to create something that's more kid friendly that people can buy for their classroom for their children, all you have to do is go back over here, and I just made the background red. So this is just like a plain background. And then what I did was I went over here to elements and I typed in Valentine's cartoon. You can either type in Valentine's cartoon or Valentine kids, because we just want more kid-friendly graphics. And then you just hit graphics, and as you can see here, you can make it anything that you want. You can make it like a duck theme. They have a lot of like Valentine's Day duck themes, so you could duplicate this same design here but with a different animal. And then all I did was add text here that says Happy Valentine's Day. I used the break script. I centered it over here. I added the to and from that I got from the template. So you can also use the template to make things from scratch as well. There was a to and from here. I just moved it over here, and I changed the color to white so it can match this, so it can not blend in with this red background. And yeah, you can select any one of these little cartoon themes, not just the bear, but the bear is really cute. And then you can just hit duplicate if you want to just sell similar designs with different animals or graphics on there, animals on there. You can do that as well. So you can have this one be like a bear. You could sell it as a bundle for people. They can choose which ones they want. And then all I did was add this. I wanted like a little extra element to it. So I just typed in hearts at the top here, and then I selected, this is like a little row of hearts, so you can kind of move it around. And I just duplicated it and placed it all around the card. And so that's all I did. This color can't be edited. You could do different hearts around here. I just wanted to have a little bit more design on it. So it's actually pretty simple. This is just a red background. I added the text, Happy Valentine's Day, over here. I typed in hearts over here and just added them around. I took this to and from a template, so I didn't have to recreate this. All I did was like highlight it and group it together. That way it moves as one thing. And yeah, so you can create this similar design and just change up one thing. Maybe you could change up the background. But yeah, you could sell this as like a bundle. You can duplicate it. You can have different animals on here. They have a gnome. You can make maybe like a gnome one. And you can sell this as a bundle of 3 or 6, however you want. But it's simple because you're not really changing the design that much. If you wanted to switch out the background color, you could do that as well. Make it, you gotta keep in mind that certain things you might have to now change the color of the gnome because it's matching too much with the background. But certain things don't change to the exact color. So keep that in mind as well. And then you'll have to probably change out this heart. Okay, this is actually letting you change the color of the heart now. That doesn't look the best though. So you might have to, so you have to keep that in mind. Once you change the background, other elements might be affected as well. So we can just hit undo at the top if we don't want to change all that. But like I said, you could duplicate this same exact template basically that you created and add different things on there and sell it if you wanted to. So this is a simple way to make Valentine's Day cards for kids or adults. If you enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, share this video, comment down below what type of videos I should create next, subscribe so that you don't miss a video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.